Tip set 2, using an immersive sketch. In this second set of tip sets, you will learn how to use an immersive sketching technique as an alternative approach to designing the F1 in school's car body. Most good designs start off with a simple pencil sketch, and this is still an effective and quick way to generate ideas. Step 1. Sketch a design. Begin by sketching an F1 in school's car block on the side of a piece of A4 paper. You could even photocopy a drawing of the block and use it time and time again to produce a range of designs. Use this as the basis to then draw the plan view. Using the same dimensions, you can do this on the same piece of paper, scan it into the computer, or take a clear photograph. Open the block model in Fusion 360. Select Insert and Attached Canvas. Select the top of the block to place your first image. Find your drawing, click Open, scroll to the top so you can see it. Scale it out using the Transform tool. Try to get as exact as possible. You can choose Display Through and slide the opacity down. You can choose to flip it to make sure that the back lines up with the CO2 canister compartment. You'll want to make sure that you slide your image to the back of the car. It'll make it easier to line up when you put it in the other one. Click OK. Now let's do the same thing on the side of the car. Scale it up. Position it in the right place. Now you have two basic sketches from which you can start cutting away. You can trace lines, you can create lofts. Step 2. Uses a template. You can now use this template to sketch over and cut your car. Step 2. Uses a template. You can now use these attached canvases to create sketches. Start by making a sketch over the side of the car. Use push-pull to remove the excess bulk. You can do the same for the top of the car. Now that you've made a sketch on the top view, simply use press-pull again and cut your top profile. Hide your canvases, and you're already building your rough shape.